Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Coinbase account. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now, open it. After opening the app, here you can find the dot line options at the top left corner. Simply tap on it. After that, tap onto the profile and settings options right here. Then scroll down and here you can find the close account option right here. Now simply tap on it. Now to delete your account, simply tap onto I agree. And after tapping on it, your account will be deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete your Coinbase account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.